Hey guys, how's it going? I want to thank each and every one of you guys. I want to thank YouTube, the AdSense program, all you guys supporting my channel, clicking on the ads, clicking on my videos, watching my stuff. Thanks guys, I appreciate it very much. I think I made like 14 revenue sharing videos before YouTube wound up going through my application, and they accepted it, so I'm now a full partner. If you guys get a few minutes, stop in at my home channel. I redesigned it. Have a new logo at the top. What would you call a banner at the top of it now? So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of cool things you can do as you're a full partner. And again, thanks goes out to all you guys. The guys that don't know me, here's a video that I can finally sit down and make for you guys to let you guys know what the Outlaw Videos is actually all about. What we do is support motorsports throughout the New York State. If we can get to an event, right now we're just at our local ones right here close to our house, but now we're getting bigger. Things are getting better. YouTube has picked us up as a partner, so we're going to be going throughout the whole New York State, and we're going to try to get to maybe some Canada, Ohio, Pennsylvania events too. So hopefully we can support some of their stuff too. So if you guys got about 20 minutes, a half hour, grab yourself a piece of cake, your dinner, a cup of coffee, a pop or something. Sit back and check out what the Outlaw Videos is all about and how we support motorsports around here. Thanks again, guys.
A lot of cleaning to do. Not much. Didn't go in any of the big holes. They were too deep for the barnyard boggers to go through.
What if Jesus comes back like that?
A little muddy here.
The pit bumps got stuck in before. Seemed to walk through it pretty good. Trucks all over the place. I just climbed over the side of the wall and got out of there. It's hard to stay out for a long time when your motor's built so big that
Could you tell Tell me about it a little bit.
Well, I built this in 1991.
Okay.
Homemade tube chassis. It's a 466 Ford alcohol supercharged. It's about 1,200 horsepower on the motor and 600 with the nitrous on the button. I haven't raced it but only once a year in the past 6 or 7 years.
Great.
Today's my first time out in a long time, so it's quick, but it's antique compared to some of these guys, so
right.
Hopefully it does well.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks very nice.
Actually, I do hold the 300-foot record here for the best speed in 300 foot, so.
Do you really?
Yes.
That's great.
Yeah. Hopefully
Awesome.
we'll do good today with it, so.
Your first name is?
Jim.
Jim?
Walsh. Yeah,
awesome.
From Lakeport, New York. So.
Fantastic. Oh, I thank you for letting us promote your stuff. Well, we've been doing a lot of.
'66 Ford Galaxy, 500 cube big block Chevy,
okay.
Methanol injected. It is all custom built, turbo 400 tranny, 205 transfer case, 2.5 ton Rockwell 673 axles, 850 horse, if I didn't say that already. We got 607 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700 RPMs. Got to run a 5,000 stall converter in it. And taking mileage is somewhere around 9 gallons to the mile. So it's not real great on fuel, but it's going to run and it should be impressive.
Things look beastly.
It's
probably the biggest thing here today.
Biggest thing here today, and if we can keep it going, it's going to be a little bit bigger next year, and hopefully we'll be the biggest guys every year.
It's great. So you guys are all part of the Barnyard Boggers?
All part of the Barnyard Boggers. Christopher, Kirby, myself. We actually.
You the owner of the truck?
I'm the owner. We're 50-50.
We're 50-50.
My name's Patrick Cropper. I own the Outlaw Videos. Put on my videos on a website.
Yep.
Promote all the mud bogs, drags, hill climbs, iron horseman drags, so on and so forth. All my videos, I get them together for you guys, put them on there. It costs nobody nothing. Everything's free. You guys can watch yourself for free. Everything's going to be videoed today. You go to their Good Times 4x4 site. Smoking Rick's is going to put a link on there. You see, I guess go right to my website. Cool. All the videos will be there. So if you guys want to become a member to the site, it's free too. So people know you. So we see your videos. They'll find you there. Put your Barnyard Boggers, the title in there instead of your name or whatever you want to do. So people know you guys. And you guys, people worldwide. The opening premiere. First run, first show for this. They just broke it out. No problem whatsoever. Let's start out with your name.
Cory Robinson.
Cory Robinson. Yep. Where are you from, Cory?
Tisco, out by Tully.
Okay.
I was at Syracuse there.
How'd you get into the sport?
Been a redneck all my life.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I grew up in the country. So,
We love rednecks.
Yeah, we always racing and screwing around with trucks. It's just one of those things. You always got to have the fastest truck, so pretty soon you build it up a little bit, you build a little more, and then you're fast enough. You're winning one class, you want to keep bumping up. You just kind of work your way to the top if you're into it.
Right. What do you got in it for a motor?
It's 502 cubic inch, 460. It's got 30 over flat tops and a stroker crank in it.
Awesome.
Aluminum heads.
Sounds wicked, man.
Dual carbs.
Sounds really nice today.
Yeah, it was running.
Put on a hell of a show for us. We appreciate it very much.
I love doing it.
That's great.
There's actually quite a few things going on this weekend. There's a big race up in Canada.
Is there really?
Yeah, a lot of the guys went up there. Some of us can't cross the border though.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying.
But you come up here and like to race pretty much every time you do. You can check down inside if you want.
Hey, great.
It works. If you notice green and purple inside there?
Yeah, I do.
Same colors as that other truck down there?
Uh-huh.
He built this truck originally about 20 years ago.
Is that right?
They built it for Poland.
Okay.
And then went into drags. My brother bought it off him 12, 13 years ago, and then it bounced around, and I got a hold of it. Some kid put a small block Chevy in it, so
Right.
I had to get it back from him and fix it the way it's supposed to be.
Well, it does sound wicked, without a doubt. Okay, it's off. I forgot to turn on the damn camcorder to videotape us taking it off, but came out pretty good. A little bit of problems, but came off. Oh, hold on.
Up in that truck here, buddy.
I love the spoilers. It was one my son had.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is that, a blazer chassis or?
I think so. K5. I had to do the same thing, get some momentum.
The Barnyard Buggers. Yeah!
That's why I don't like these bindings.
Oh,